Probiotics are microorganisms that are naturally found in the stomach, intestines, and vagina. They can be found in foods like yogurt, milk, and juices, as well as in dietary supplements like capsules, tablets, and powders. Probiotics are used to improve digestion and restore normal flora, especially in cases of antibiotic use or travel that can disrupt the balance of bacteria and yeast in the body. Probiotics have been used to treat a variety of conditions including bowel problems, eczema, vaginal yeast infections, lactose intolerance, and urinary tract infections. When choosing a probiotic product, it's important to check the label for information on its specific uses. The L.Acidophilus Casei Rhamnos-B.Longum Breve 5 billion cell chew tablet is a probiotic supplement that contains different types of microorganisms to support digestive health. It can be taken daily to help maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in the gut. It is best to take this supplement with a meal to help aid in digestion. Always consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details on the specific benefits and daily dosage of this product. When taking L.Acidophilus Casei Rhamnos-B.Longum Breve 5 billion cell chew tablet, make sure to follow the directions on the product package. Check the label to see if the dose should be swallowed whole, chewed, sprinkled onto food, or mixed with liquid. If you are using the liquid form, be sure to measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device/spoon, and do not use a household spoon. If you are also taking antibiotics, it's important to take any product containing live bacteria at least 2 to 3 hours before or after taking antibiotics to ensure it works effectively. If you are using this product to treat diarrhea caused by antibiotics, do not use it if you have a high fever or for more than 2 days unless directed by your doctor. If your condition does not improve or worsens, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical attention immediately. If you experience increased stomach gas or bloating while taking L.Acidophilus Casei Rhamnos-B.Longum Breve 5 billion cell chew tablets, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist. Additionally, you should notify your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects, such as signs of infection or a serious allergic reaction. It's important to seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, and to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking L.Acidophilus Casei Rhamnos-B.Longum Breve 5 billion cell chew tablets, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions. If you have diarrhea lasting more than 2 days, a weakened immune system, recurring vaginal infections, or recurring urinary tract infections, it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. Be cautious if you have diabetes, phenylketonuria, PKU, or any other condition that requires you to limit or avoid sugar and/or aspartame. It's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist about using this product safely. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. During pregnancy, it's important to use this product only when clearly needed and to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before using this product. It's important to note that probiotics like L.Acidophilus Casei Rhamnos-B.Longum and Breve 5 billion cell chew tablet may interact with certain medications. These interactions could change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. If you are taking antibiotics or antifungal medications, such as clotrimazole, ketoconazole, griseofulvin, nistidine, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist before starting probiotics. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your healthcare provider to ensure the safety and effectiveness of your treatment. When taking L.Acidophilus Casei Rhamnos-B.Longum and Breve 5 billion cell chew tablet, the recommended daily dosage is usually indicated on the product label. It's best to take probiotics on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning or before bed, to optimize their effectiveness. Always follow the recommended dosage and consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your medication routine. If someone has taken too much of the L.Acidophilus Casei Rhamnos-B.Longum Breve 5 billion cell chew tablet and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Make sure to keep all your medical and lab appointments, as it's important to monitor your progress while taking this medication. It's also possible that some brands may have additional ingredients, like fiber or inulin. If you're unsure about the ingredients in your specific brand, be sure to ask your doctor or pharmacist for more information. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing probiotics, it's important to check the product package for specific instructions. Some types may need to be refrigerated, while others should not. If you're unsure about how to store your probiotics, it's best to ask your pharmacist for guidance. And remember to always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of expired or unused probiotics, it's important to do so properly. Don't flush them down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to discard them. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.